take a look at this fascinating discovery. This isn't just any ordinary tissue, folks. It's a tale of the unexpected that left its owner completely baffled. After feeling a bit runny, they blew their nose. And what came out was nothing short of astounding. You won't believe it, but this tissue had something unusual hidden within a tiny, perfectly shaped pebble. It's like finding a gemstone in the most unexpected place. The owner couldn't believe their eyes, and neither can I. So, next time you have a runny nose, who knows what treasures you might uncover?